The active standards. I think that's the only thing that people think of the culture about. Sports, here too, there's a busy games. That's it's a two piece of so let's talk about more seriously. How much of putting down there is in charging this of course, nationalism, so that's very enjoyable for me. I still enjoy all of these decisions. So it's really nice to as far as magazines go, I was born in this this